Hi, Bob Freeman here with Remax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2021 25 Outrage. What a fantastic boat this is. It's powered at the back with the new Mercs 200, twin 200s. A lot of power, horsepower for this boat. Great up on plane, good top end as well. The lines on it are absolutely beautiful. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 25 Outrage. Let's start with the back of the boat. If you're just going out for a nice little cruise, going to the beach, going to a restaurant, whatever, you got a nice fold-down seat, a couple of adults comfortable in the back, rod holders across the back, got a little storage right here, and then you've got a prop station here with a very large live well, so a ton of bait it holds for a 25-foot boat, so plenty of room for your bait. And as we move up to the helm area, it's got the Mercury SmartCraft on it, the digital throttle and shift, Lenco trim tabs, and plenty of room. You can put two large GPS chart plotters on here. So if you're going to go offshore and you want to have two, plenty of room to put whatever you want on there. We got jump seat on the side, so an extra seat for it's actually a pretty comfortable chair. This person can talk to the captain, who likes that a lot. And then you've got a large head. So when you look down there for a 25-foot boat, it's really large. It's got the vacuum flush, which is the top of the line head, so you don't have to worry about pumping it out or anything, but really nice setup as far as a head is concerned. As we move up to the bow, you've got a little really comfortable with armrests. Seats two adults, very comfortable. And then it also doubles as a fish box. So you can use it as a fish box, you can use it as a cooler, you can do whatever you want with that, but it's really a nice setup here. Another fish box on the floor, and then you've got comfortable seats. The cushion's just very comfortable in here all the way around, so you got U-shaped seating, so you can put 5 or 6 adults up front comfortably. You've got the windlass on the front, and actually it's not a windlass, it's an anchor, so you've got that conveniently located right there. And it's got a really large hardtop on it, so with lighting, and this boat is meant to go offshore. Even at 25 feet, you can feel safe. It's a whaler, it doesn't sink, and it'll also do the inshore very well also. So it's a very versatile boat. If you got any questions, you'd like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.